Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a part 2 of Don't Press the Green Button, because the first one I actually really enjoyed and it got decent views. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. But also I just wanted to say, if you guys do want to be in the intro, like with the fan art, you need to go in the description and send your drawings or like animated pictures of me to that email, and I will go through them and put them in the beginning of the video. I will do 3 every video if I get enough, which hopefully that we can keep on doing that because I've been doing it and I'm enjoying it. But yeah, also in today's video I am going to be buying some super cool items in the shop, which is this and this. So boom, and then we're gonna buy boom. These items are dope. I'm aggravated now. I got scammed. Oh well. Wait. Oh my goodness, that looks ridiculous. What? But yeah, if you guys do want to be featured, like I said, just go ahead and send me some dope. I want to see some cool fan art, like the marshmallow from last video. The first one, the second one, the third one, those were super dope. And I appreciate fan art, it makes my day. So yeah, just go ahead and send me them. I'm so down to put them in the intro if they're really good. Come on. Let me get that coin. There we go. But yeah, so we have this money. I really just did that. I feel so stupid. But yeah, it's not that difficult to get into the fan art. But yeah, today, one of these a fan sent me a super dope pic that I put as my YouTube profile pic. So yeah, but I am gonna put that also in the what is it called? In the intro of the fan arts. So I'm gonna be putting that in like the early stage of that picture in the fan arts. So yeah, and if there is any more by the time I put this video up, which there might not be, but if there is, then they'll be in the fan art as well. But yeah, I just want to see you guys' creativity, and it also makes my day. But yeah, without further ado, let's just finish this video, and yeah, hope you guys do enjoy this video. I don't think this music is copyright. I think we'll be fine. Did I turn the music up? There we go. Okay. That's good. Ooh, let's get some coins. Oh, there's like a sound effect. Hey, we got the money. We got the money. Dang, bro, I got mad money. I love that one too. I feel dumb now. But yeah, what we're gonna do. What do you mean? We're gonna pile up money. This is about to all drop. It's gonna look sick. Boom. Look at all that money. Make it rain. Oh, okay. This is a parkour. I can do it with my thing. I don't know. I got scammed. It sucks. I don't know. I'm gonna read some more about it. Let's see if there's anything else that is like to it. Click this line. You vary on true blue hoverboard. Control your using arrows A, W, S, D. Hit the backspace to dismount. Okay, come on. I was scared there for a second. I thought I just gave my hoverboard away. I'm so bad at this one. I'm so bad at this one. Oh, I'm actually making it far now. Now that I say I'm bad, I'm doing good. I feel dumb. Okay, come on. There we go. Boom. Oh, I was so close too. Wow. Alright, I take advantage of this one, not gonna lie. So, I do know how to do this speedrun. It's very simple, but we gotta take advantage of the little things that we have. I must have walked off since I looked down for a sec. But yeah, we gotta take advantage of the little things that we have. So what you do is just this, and then you run around and get coins. It's this easy, bro. Look at this, just stack up on them. And it's easy money too, like you can just drop money. Come on, coins, spawn, we ain't got all day. Let's go, boom, coin. Like, you gotta take advantage of those things like that so we can get billions and billions of coins. Like over here. Come on, we can get more out of this. Let's go. Any more? Oh, there's a coin, there's a coin. Got it. Okay, guys. You gotta take advantage of these things. You can't just like let them fly by. I was inspired, to be honest with you. I'm pretty sure I don't die to these things. Yeah, okay, I don't die. Basically, so we can take advantage of this as well. I don't know why. I think I went AFK for like too long or something. I don't know, but it glitched out and I don't die to these, so we gotta take advantage of the little things, like I said. Make it rain. Why not? Like, if you guys want to draw an image of me making it rain with a duffel bag, that would be a cool fan art, and I would probably put that in this video. If you guys can get it to me in time, that's not a problem. Right. Boom. I do die to these, though. Okay, let's see. Hey. That's exciting. I'm gonna go to red this time. Maybe red. Don't let me down, red. Please don't let me down. Oh, okay. I'm actually hype right now. I'm gonna go to a different one to her just to make it a little fair. Oh, let's go. Ducky. That noise is loud, dude. Oh no, this is laggy usually. Oh wait, is our money bigger? Oh my gosh. Bigger money? Bet. Why not? I can give it away. If I just reset my character, I get it back, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm pretty sure I die to explosions. Yeah, 100% I do die to explosions. That would be broken. But yeah, this has been a really good video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did enjoy me dropping money and getting scammed and want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, you know, go ahead and send me some fan art. Maybe you'll be in the video. Who knows? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.